prosperity and happiness. These are not merely presentation of cultural gifts, but your love and dua for me. Thank you very much. I am here to address my friends and young and bright advocate of this august bar as the Chief Justice of High-Court of Sindh. My travel as Justice to the Chief Justice High Court of Sindh took 12 years. And in this period of 12 years, I had more than 10, or if I am right, 12 roasts in Ladkana, but the life. I would like to focus my speech on 3 points. One, the importance of justice in the society. Second, judicial justice. And third, role of Bar Association and advocate. And the importance of justice in the society. My dear friends, justice is the foundation of a strong, peaceful, and balanced society. Justice is the soul of all moral values, as without it neither rights are protected nor an atmosphere of trust is established. When individuals and institutions follow the principle of justice, social corruption, oppression, and injustice automatically begin to end. Get support. The limits of the powerful, are set, and equality and brotherhood are promoted in the society. This is why justice is not only a moral duty but a guarantee of social development and peace. To maintain justice in society, a coherent and organized protects the life, property, and rights of the individuals in the state and ensures that every person gets his rights. Judicial justice, Adalati Insaf. The process of judicial justice